The forest is a painting white, with every creature adding light. A gentle breeze, a drifting tide, it moves in rhythm, soft and bright. A living, breathing work of art. This season wakes its beating heart. The wind blows cool through silent trees, soft shadows fall on silver streams. The forest sleeps in hidden peace and guards the world of secret dreams. A living, breathing work of art. This season wakes its beating heart. The sunlight filters through the leaves and scatters gold upon the ground. Along the winding paths it weaves, a song is rising all around. A living, breathing work of art. The season wakes its beating heart. Bright colors dancing in a ring, 1,000 hues begin to flow. The stream hums softly as it sings and gives all life its gentle glow. A living, breathing work of art. This season wakes its beating heart. The leaves will turn with passing days, their colors shift in quiet grace. The forest paints in changing ways, a masterpiece time can't erase. A living, breathing work of art. This season wakes its beat.